Good morning, guys. Welcome to Code Brain Execution. Today we are going to practice some. Let's choose some code, like some problems, and try to solve that. Let's let's search, guys. Let's try to search. Index of the subarray. Let's go. What to do? Look for. Let's search, guys. Let's try to search. Shall I go for string? Yeah. Let me choose string. Now let's go for filter. Where is the filter? Wait, guys. Before that. Search is guys, I find the filter button. Filter is here. Let's choose Amazon and choose string. Shall I choose linked list? No, I have practice list and string a bit. I choose strings now. Try to complete the string and then go for array. Which company can I choose first? Let's choose Amazon. It has 629 problems. Difficult level, what to do? It is basic. Attempt, no, nothing to choose. We all at this all. Amazon. Array basic. First occurrence. Let's try to solve this one. How many companies are asked? Guys, this was asked by Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, and Qualcomm. Four major companies. Okay, solve. Close. What it is said, what it is saying. Find the first occurrence of the string pat. String, what is pat here? Pat means pattern or something like that. In the string, this function returns an integer integer denoting the first occurrence. Okay. F or of the string pat in text zero basic indexing, you're not allowed to use the inbuilt functions. If there is no occurrence, then return -1. You're not allowed to use the inbuilt functions. Okay, nice. Now what to do? Input text gig for gigs, pattern F for explanation -1. Why? F4 is not present in the string. Gigs for gigs as substring. Okay. Next one. I need to charge my laptop. Find the first occurrence. Okay, guys, I need to find the first occurrence. It's simple, like it has some pad and text. The pad one should match with the um, words. Okay, what is the constraint here? Text dot size, pad dot size, 1000. Guys, did you know what it was? I couldn't understand this one. Topic tags for strings, pattern matching, design pattern, data structure, and implementation. Qualcomm interview said to, oh my god, substrings. Okay, that's nice. Um, Before that, I need to understand what is constraint. Our friend is there who is GPT. Let's ask him. Kindly explain what is this? What is what it's saying? I have asked GPT. Wait a minute. It is a mathematical shorthand commonly used in programming problems, especially in competitive programming or documentations. Fine. What it means? It means that both the length of the text and the length of the pattern must be between 1 and 1000. The length of the text must be at least 1 and at most 1000. It means, okay, I understood. Fine. Okay. This is the constraint. Means like text size, the pad size, 1 less than or equal to text size. Hmm. Guys, I understood this one, guys. I was very proud of myself. Okay. Now let's go and see this one. Find the first occurrence of the string. 0, see guys, in textbook, in this one, output 5, that is gig for gigs pad 4, it is matching 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we need to return the starting index of that one. Fine. 0 is not present in the what in the string. Okay, fine. You are not allowed to use the inbuilt functions. If there is no occurrence, then return -1. Guys, before this, I was very new to this programming. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to practice. Let me try to solve this with base built-in functions and then try to solve that one. Wait, let me give this one. Okay. Now let's give some text here. Txt equal to what is the gigs Gigs for gigs. What are the gigs? Gigs for gigs. Let's print this one. Print txt. Let's see what is going to print here. Yeah, it is print a gig for gigs. Fine. Now what we need to match the pattern. Let's give pat equal to what? Fr. Now we need to match the pattern. Okay. I don't have any idea. I am new to this one, so I need to learn. How can we match the pattern here? Hmm. Let's try to use. Let's if let's use if pat equal to text print. Yes. First I need to try whether it is doing or not, and then let's go for the logic. Else print no. It's saying no. Shall we give O here? Even for this also it's saying no. Bad. I think I need to repeat. Like, wait a minute, it's just checking the first letter. I think. Shall I use G here? E. Oh my God, this is. I think it is checking everything. What is the use of triple equal to? It won't works. Instead of looking everything, shall I go for like a first letter matching like that? Like if. Hmm. Wait a minute. Now, if txt 0 equal to pat pat 0. Okay. If it was small, no. Got it. Now what should I need to do? I need to. Now let's try to change the one. Like how can we do? Hmm. We need to see, guys. I what I was thinking was, if it was not matched, for example z is not equal to f, let's try to increment like increment this one to a percent. For that, instead of putting uh, 0 here, we need to use I have an idea. Wait, for I in range, for I in range x dot length. Before that, wait, let me try to print x dot length. This line gives an indentation. I need to how to find the length, how to find the length of the string. Length text 13 fine. In this way we need to use. So now For I in range length length a xt for I in range. What should I need to do for I in range if px So I need to use found break like this. Okay. Like if not found, print -1. I need to initialize found equal to false. I have a doubt here. What is the use of not? What it actually saying not true? Yeah, if not true. Explain. Guys, I have learned found now. Sorry, not. What actually the found is not was doing was it opposite. So if not found means here now the found equal to true. Okay, it's assigning true, so it should break. Now it comes down and see true, not true. Wait guys, let me I have a small doubt again. Hmm, step by step execution with explanation. I want execution of the uh, if not found only. If not found, if found is false, then run the code inside this false. Not true means false AI. False case or match not found. What will do? Found equal to false. If true becomes if true. Pattern not found. Okay. Guys, in the this if this was not changed, then it will going to print this one, guys. Or else it will going to it won't going to print anything. It will stop here. If it becomes true, it breaks here. If it like even after the execution, it will come and check. Like I have it like of the for loop full flow step by step execution. So step by step found equal to false. You start by assuming nothing is found. For a you loop or something character is necessary. Inside the for if a match is found, you set found equal to true. Break to stop the loop. If not found outside the loop, after the loop finishes, it checks did we ever find what we are looking for. If not found is still false. It returns the block. Still, can you guys? I have a small doubt. Can you give me a simple ex example of not? It's raining false. Not it's raining. Go outside and play. Yes, print take an umbrella. It's raining false means Is raining. False means if not becomes if not false, which is true, so it will print. If not, false, becomes if not false. It will compare with the first one. We first declare found equal to false. Then if not found means here this found is compared with the first one. The first one, in this case, we have declare found equal to false. Now, if the loop runs and it becomes true, then not true means not true. So it is not, it is false. So it won't print this one. If it becomes false, it checks not false. Yeah, true. Not false means true. Then it will print. Yeah, fine. I understood this one. Okay, I have understood somewhat. Now let's go for this issue. What was the problem here? How it's printing the same 5? Got it. Guys, it's just checking the first letter only. That's why we are getting the problem. If it matches, then it should goes to the it needs to check the next character also. For that, what to do? Um, Instead of printing, I think I need to run another loop. Like I need to write another for loop to check from there whether everything was matching or not. Why it's saying if why I use high, it's saying index out of string index out of range. Wait, let me ask them. String index out of bound. He clarified it. Yeah, it was out of error. Here's why. Got it. It was increasing the. So I need to use 0 because here the I will increase, but it won't. Now let's. Instead of here, shall we use J? Now, now what we are going to do? Now we are going to run another loop for this. No, no, why should I need to run a loop? Instead, I can say I can increment the letters. I simply say T I plus plus and J plus plus. Can I say I plus plus like I plus plus won't work. I need to say I plus 1. J equal to J plus 1. This is some giving something new.
ஜோயா சட்டர்ஜின்றவர் எழுதின ஒரு புஸ்தகம் வந்து ஒரு முக்கியமான புஸ்தகம். அவங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா, இந்த கல்கத்தா கலவரங்களுக்கு வந்து பால்வாரி வணிகளே காரணம் சொல்றாங்க. சுகரவாடியோட குண்டர்களுக்கும் தோழர்களுக்கும் அவருடைய சொந்த மருந்து இந்த படுகொலை தாக்குதல் எப்படி இருக்குன்றத நல்ல பாடக்கதை கற்றுக் கொடுக்குறாங்க. நீ ஒரு ஹிந்து பொண்ணையா நீ 2 முஸ்லீம் சாகுன்ற. ஆகஸ்ட் 18ஆம் தேதி அன்னைக்கு இந்துக்கள் தாக்கத்துக்கு ஆரம்பிச்ச உடனே சுகரவாடி வந்து அந்த லால் சார் அந்த कंट्रोल रूम இருக்கு இல்லையா वाले हैं एक्सपेशली उदयपुर फाइल्स के ऊपर जिस मूवी सिर्फ एक मूवी नहीं है गाइस एक फिक्शन नहीं है इस मूवी के और हमारी जो थीम है इस्लाम के ऊपर बात करना बहुत लेना देना है तो हम जाएंगे उसके ऊपर भी और साथ ही साथ हमारे गुरुवर्य जो मास्टर्स हैं अरबिक लैंग्वेज पे जो पूरी कुरान को उनकी चील वाली आंखों से फाड़ के पोस्टमार्टम करके हम सभी लोगों को असली इस्लाम सिखाते हैं। तो चलिए, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट रियल इस्लाम शो पे हमारे प्यारे आलम दादा, पूरे वरिय एक्स मुस्लिम आलम दादा, स्वागत। Hate me. For the sake of, I hate you for the sake of Allah. This is कहाँ से आते हैं? Again. Do you hate me? Yes. Who taught you to hate me? देखा इस मोमेंट की कुरान वाली दिमाग, जिसमें सिर्फ हेटेड और वायलेंस भरा हुआ है, क्योंकि कुरान में इसी तरह ढेर सारा नफरत भरे आयतें भरे पड़े हैं और खुद को कहते हैं पीसफुल रिलीजन। अगर आप इसी जिहादी वाली सोच को चार चांद मानना चाहते हो तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट में कर दीजिए। Hate me. For the sake of, I hate you for the sake of Allah. All right. I hate you for the sake of Allah. It's me. For the sake of Allah. Would you kill me if you had a chance? You say what? Say what? कहाँ से आते हैं? Once again. Do you hate me? Yes. Hey, you who taught you to hate me? देखा इस मोमेंट की कुरान वाली दिमाग, जिसमें सिर्फ हेटेड और वायलेंस भरा हुआ है, क्योंकि कुरान में इसी तरह ढेर सारा नफरत भरे आयतें भरे पड़े हैं और खुद को कहते हैं पीसफुल रिलीजन। अगर आप इसी जिहादी वाली सोच को चार चांद मानना चाहते हो तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट में कर दीजिए। Hate me. For the sake of, I hate you for the sake of Allah. All right. I hate you for the sake of Allah. It's me. For the sake of Allah. Would you kill me if you had a chance? If we walk, I would chop your head off. Yeah, what? कहाँ से आते हैं? Once again. Do you hate me? Yes. I hate you.
Still, I don't know what to do. Um,
देखा
the problem here is what was
जिसमें सिर्फ
uh,
वायलेंस भरा हुआ है। आनंद जी, पिछले साल तो आपकी और मेरी गर्दन बच गई थी, शुक्रिया।
guys. I don't know. Like, I'm going to ask to GPT now what to do next. No, no, wait. It should increment the letter also. Match the pattern. Wait. Now let me ask you what is wrong in my code. What is wrong in this code? Only comparing one character once and then breaks. You need to compare all characters paired against. Modifying I inside the for loop has no I equal to I plus 1 inside a for loop does not change the loop iteration. Okay. Correct version is This code is very big. Can you give the uh, most noob way? Hmm. Without without the what built-in built-in without the built-in. Guys, I have a doubt now. Each starting person attacks by a pad could fit. Example if text is setting cat and pad is true, we check from I equal to 0 to 11 only. Now for j is in range 11 pad. Check cat is by cat pad. Fine. Let me going to stop. It was over for